How to fix Bluetooth pairing problem on Android. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, scroll down your notification panel and keep holding the Bluetooth icon. Now tap on the info icon of the device you want to pair. Now click on pair. Now pair the device again. If this doesn't solve your issue, go back, open up settings. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on system and updates. Now scroll down and click on backup and reset. Now tap on reset phone. Now select the option for reset all settings. Now reset your settings that will include Bluetooth and restart your device. I hope this will fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.